Hey everyone, welcome to my tutorial video on my new channel.
How to create.
How to make channel guidelines on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be to settings. Ooh. Welcome to my channel. And here are some
Guys, need to
channel guide means
need to follow. To follow.
Need to follow.
Okay. You can choose be civil and respectful.
Add be civil and respectful.
Or you can
No rude comments.
If you want. Or you can choose
Question welcome.
then you choose.
I have getting a YouTube channel. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. Bye.